In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect FitBit to Android. So let's get started. To connect your Fitbit device to an Android smartphone or tablet, you'll need to follow these steps. So the first step is to install the Fitbit app. So for this, you have to go to your Google Play Store on your Android device. Then you're gonna search for Fitbit in the search bar, find the official Fitbit app, and then install it. So once you have downloaded the app, the next step is to create a Fitbit account if you don't have one. So you have to open the Fitbit app, tap join Fitbit to create a new account if you don't already have one, then follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Let's say you already have one account, all you have to do is click login and enter your username and password. So in the Fitbit app, tap the profile icon which is on the top left or top right corner. Then you're gonna click on tap set up a device or set up your Fitbit. So once that is done, you're gonna select your Fitbit model from the list, for example Fitbit Charge 5. Then you're gonna follow the on-screen instructions and connect your Android device via Bluetooth. So make sure your Bluetooth is on at the moment. Once your Fitbit device is paired, the app will guide you through the setup process, including connecting it to your Fitbit account. After the setup is complete, you can sync your Fitbit by swiping down the top to the top of the app's dashboard or tapping the Sync Now option. Then you can customize your Fitbit device settings such as notifications, preferences, goals, and tracking options in the Fitbit app. So yeah, there you go. Your Fitbit is now connected to your Android device and it will track your activity, sleep, and more. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.